Recently, there's been a lot of talk around the digital products platform Whop, specifically due to Iman Ghadzi becoming a co-owner of the platform. In my opinion, this is a bad look for 99% of creators, and in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why. Just before we get started, who am I and why should you listen to me? My name's Jermaine. I've personally made over 700k from YouTube monetization and digital products, and recently I made 16k with a new digital product. So everything I say on this channel is from personal experience, and everything I teach on this channel actually works. 5 reasons Whop is a bad idea for creators selling digital products. Number 1, you don't own the platform or the audience. When you build your business on Whop, you don't truly own your customer list, you don't own the analytics, and you don't own the platform behavior. Now, this is a huge risk for anyone wanting to build a sustainable creator business. Essentially, Whop is a social media platform for digital products. And as I speak about on this channel all the time, if you are somebody that relies on social media platforms to generate sustainable income, this is not a safe way to build a business because the platform doesn't care about you. It cares about itself and it cares about generating revenue for itself. This is one of my biggest reservations about this. If you sell digital products on Whop, they have all of your data. They control your data. They have your customer list, your email list, your analytics. And this is something that I don't like. I don't believe that a creator business should be giving their email list and their business analytics to somebody else so they can exploit them and use them and make money with them for their own personal gain. So this is the first reason why I think it's a bad idea. You don't truly own the platform and you don't own your audience. Number 2, marketing exploitation. Now, the truth is that Whop is exploiting creators for traffic and profits from your audience. Whop's growth depends on creators bringing their own traffic via YouTube ads and social media. Essentially, this means that you're paying to grow Whop's brand, not yours. The truth is that this day and age, when it comes to paid ads on social media, they are very expensive, and this can cost businesses millions and millions of dollars to pay for those ads. So instead, they can get cheaper marketing and cheaper advertising if they can attract creators onto their platform. So essentially what Whop is doing is they're getting creators to work for them and making them drive traffic to the Whop platform. This is literally like being a McDonald's employee, except you've got a Whop badge on your uniform and you're working for Whop, rushing around and driving traffic to the Whop platform, making money for Whop in advertising revenue and saving Whop millions of dollars, and they're not paying you anything for it. So this is another reason why marketing exploitation, I don't like it. Number 3 is platform dependency and algorithm risk. Whop's discover features like explore favor viral or promoted products. This means you're at the mercy of Whop's algorithm changes, just like YouTube and Instagram's unpredictable shifts. Again, if you're somebody that has a creative business and you rely on social media algorithms, this turns you into a slave, but it also puts you in a very vulnerable position. Algorithms are very unpredictable. They only favor certain types of people and certain types of topics. Relying on algorithms is the exact reason why most creators are broke on YouTube and Instagram and all social media platforms, because they rely on algorithms and they don't build their audience in a predictable and sustainable way that actually allows them to monetize that audience effectively. Number 4 is saturation and commoditization. Whop is a marketplace, meaning you compete with thousands of creators selling similar digital products. And this can draw you into the comparison trap, making you feel pressured to work harder and sell more. Now, when I say this, just like school, Whop has a leaderboard and it puts the most successful sellers at the top of that leaderboard. Now, the reality is the most successful sellers, most of them are extremely famous, or they have massive marketing teams behind them. They use paid ads, and also they're highly favored by the platform because the platform wants to market their platform in a certain way, and they want certain creators to appear to be more successful, and a small tiny percentage of these creators get pushed by the platform, they get favored by the platform, they get special treatment, they get flown out to events, they get an extra push on the platform, which leaves 99% of creators pushed out, broke, and struggling to make any money. Now, thousands of buyers compare prices and features on a platform, all competing against each other, forcing you into a race to the bottom. And also competition from Whop's own promoted partners such as Iman Ghadzi's products. Now, because Iman Ghadzi is a shareholder in this company, he is going to take your data take all of the traffic on that platform and promote his own products and put his products and services above yours. So he will take the lion's share because he can manipulate the platform to benefit himself, his products, but also his friends and the people that he works with, the companies that he's invested in. He's going to be pushing those products and services on the Whop platform and burying all of the other creators. My biggest thing about this is that as a creator, you need to really focus on your own business and focus on what you need to do to make your business grow and for you to make money in the long term. But on a platform like this, the competitive nature of this platform, this can often make creators feel shitty because they're looking at creators making $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 per month. It will make them feel worthless and it will make them feel like they're not good enough, and it will actually make them quit because it's giving them unrealistic expectations that only a small percent of creators will ever actually achieve. 99% of creators will never get to the top of the leaderboard on Whop. 99% of creators will never make 20, 30K a month. 99% of creators will never get flown out to the Whop headquarters. They will never get special treatment. They will never be treated with the respect that the tiny percentage of creators on Whop actually get. So for this reason, again, I think a platform like Whop is bad for creators. It will force you into the comparison trap. It will make you feel worthless. It will make you start second guessing yourself, and it will throw you off track. And ultimately, it will just stop you from progressing in your own creator business. Number 5, unnecessary fees. Now, as an online creator, you have to pay some sort of fees to different platforms. If it's Gumroad, if it's Stripe, whatever platform you're on, you do have to pay small fees. But Whop actually charges 3.9% and also 30 cents for every transaction. Now, as a creator, you probably already have a Stripe account which charges 2.9% transaction fees. So if you have a Whop account as well, this means that you will lose 6.9% of your revenue just in fees. Just for example, my target for this year is to make $100,000 from digital products. Using Stripe is going to cost me about $2,900 in fees. If I use the Whop platform as well, this is going to cost me an extra 3.9%, which means I would lose close to 7% in fees and pay out $7,000 in fees, as opposed to just paying 2.9% to Stripe and building my own sales page. As a small creator, you want to minimize fees. Now, with the Whop platform, essentially this means you are paying the platform to be a marketing slave for the platform, drive traffic to their platform, and giving all of your data to the platform and paying them at the same time for all of this. So again, I think it makes absolutely zero sense to be on the Whop platform, and this is the reason that I don't like it. Now, this is exactly why having your own funnel, your own Discord, and your own sales system is so powerful. This means no middlemen, no algorithms, no hidden fees, just direct connection and control of your audience. Now, the bottom line, Whop is convenient for beginners, but it's a short-term play that costs you ownership of your data and audience, adds unnecessary fees, 6.9% as opposed to 3%. It forces you to compete in a saturated marketplace, and it leaves you vulnerable to platform changes. Instead of being an algorithm slave and a marketing slave for another platform, the best thing that you can do is create your own creator funnel for total control. And this is something that I call the 4-step creator funnel. Step 1 is to attract with content, YouTube and Instagram organic and paid ads. Now, the first thing you want to do is get attention by posting your own content. This builds your personal brand, and it also builds you a reputation within your industry. So when people see you, they know exactly who you are, as opposed to being on the Whop platform, having the Whop brand and the Whop logo connected to you. You're actually building your own brand as opposed to building the Whop brand or somebody else's brand. The second step in this funnel is to capture that attention with free value. Again, instead of capturing attention for the Whop platform and giving them your email list, you can capture that attention for yourself and build your email list by giving away a free lead magnet to your audience. Step 3, nurture with emails, stories, and value. After you've captured attention and captured leads, then you nurture these leads with emails and stories and value. And again, this is allowing you to build your personal brand and building a direct relationship with your audience, as opposed to building that relationship with users on the Whop platform. If you do it on the Whop platform, it's not actually your audience because Whop owns it. And if the Whop platform disappears, so does your relationship with your audience. So this is why it's best to nurture your own audience by building your email list, sharing stories and sharing value, so you can have a direct relationship with your audience. Step number 4, convert sales with basic landing page in a Discord community. So you've attracted attention with content, you've captured the attention and built your email list, you've nurtured that email list, and then you've converted it to sales with a basic landing page and a Discord community. And this is all you need to literally build an audience, take full ownership of that audience and monetize that audience and generate sales on autopilot. And this is what I advise creators to do. Focus on this 4-step creator funnel so you can take total control instead of relying on platforms like Whop, being a marketing slave for the platform, being a slave to the algorithm of that platform, and basically being exploited for your data on your email list, which does absolutely zero for your personal brand and your creator business. But anyway, give me your thoughts in the comments, guys, what you think about Whop and Iman Ghadzi, and is this a good look or a bad look for creators? And will you be selling on this platform, or will you be one of the creators that takes full control of your audience and actually builds your own sales funnel and does it by yourself? But anyway, that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the content, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.